right, now, let's look at this problem really quick. So you want to remember that with these problems, usually we don't know how to, we can't find there is no common base. Like, there is no way to make it so that both sides have a common base. So let me just read the problem. 2 to the x minus 3 is equal to 7. We want to solve for x. And like I said, it's not easy to find a common base, just like we would say 2 to the u equals 4. It's like 2 to the u equals 2 squared, so u is equal to 2. That's not how this goes, right? You can use natural logarithms. Some people use natural logarithms, others use the same base logarithms. In this example, we want to go ahead and use natural logarithms. So what I'm going to do, so number 1, we have 2 to the x minus 3 is equal to 7. We're going to go ahead and take the natural log of both sides. So natural log of 2 to the x minus 3 is equal to natural log of 7. So that's the first step here. Now, it doesn't matter whether you use natural log or the same, with the same base log that it has on the left. It'll still give you the same answer in terms of the decimals. So here we're just going to go ahead and say, so we want to use the power property. The power property, again, it's natural log of a to the b is b natural log of a. So really this stuff right here, this one right here, moves to the front and gets over here. So we're going to move this to the front. And let me just kind of space out my work here. So we're going to have x minus 3. And we're going to put all of this times the natural log of 2, right, is equal to natural log of 7. So that is what we come up with, because this entire natural log of 2 is being multiplied to x minus 3. Now, here, and we're making it equal to natural log of 7. So then finally what we're going to do is, I like to write my natural log of 2 in the front and then distribute it to the x minus 3. And then equals natural log of 7. You can just get rid of the natural log of 2 like this. And then just say x minus 3 equals natural log of 7 over natural log of 2. And then add 3 to both sides, giving us x equals natural log of 7 over natural log of 2 plus 3. Now, of course, if you end up doing it, basically the main idea is to get it to this answer. Now, if they do ask you to approximate this, let's say to the nearest 100th or 1000th, let's say to the nearest 100th, we're just going to put it in the calculator. So natural log of 7 over natural log of 2, and then plus 3. And so to the nearest 100th, let's say to the nearest 100th, we get x is approximately equal to 5.81. Now, if they ask to the nearest 1000th, it would be, so to the nearest 100th, this is to the nearest, and then to the nearest 1000th is x is approximately equal to 5.807, if this is to the nearest 1000th. So it really doesn't matter what method you go about. Honestly, you could have just distributed it and then just did some algebra there. But this would be the more, I guess, the easier method, since you don't have to like distribute it and then get it, to one side, all that good stuff. And so this would be to the nearest thousandth. So these are two different types of answers. Now, if they just ask for the actual like whole answer, it would be this. Depends on how they would write it, though. If they write it as a whole fraction, you want to kind of do a little more work. But that is how we do this problem. So if anyone has questions, let me know or book a session with me. But thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.